students, in this video session going to explain about law of radioactivity. In previous video we already discussed about the first law of radioactivity, that is the exponential decay law. In this video I am going to explain about the displacement law, or we can say that is the alpha decay law, beta decay law, as well as gamma decay law. Let me start with first alpha decay. What is alpha decay? Alpha decay, or we can say it is denoted by symbol alpha, is a type of radioactive decay in which the atomic nucleus emits an alpha particles. Ultimately alpha particles is nothing but it's a helium nucleus. When any elements when emit the alpha ray or alpha decay, alpha particles, we can say that the atomic number decreased by 2 as well as atomic mass decreased by 4. Alpha decay occurs when the strong nuclear force cannot hold a large nucleus together, say uranium, in which 92 protons are there and 92 electrons are moving surrounding the uranium nucleus in a circular orbit. So there are certain electric force exists between each proton, but the nuclear force which keep all the protons inside the nucleus. The basic meaning of alpha decay is that we can say that the mass of the parent nuclei is greater than the mass of the daughter nucleus, the new nucleus which known as daughter nuclei. This integration is happen, it is known as disintegration energy, because it emits the energy during the reaction. Now look here the alpha decay denoted with equation. Let capital N be the number of parent nuclei that is originally present before disintegration start. Capital Z is the atomic number, capital A is the atomic mass. After the reaction or disintegration, new nuclei is established. Suppose that is N dash. This N dash is known as daughter nuclei, and during this reaction it emits the helium nucleus, it emits the alpha particles. Now what happens when daughter nuclei is produced from the parent nuclei? Look here the atomic number Z is 2 unit less than the atomic number of a parent nuclei. Same way, atomic mass of the daughter nuclei is 4 unit less than the atomic mass of a parent nuclei. As a result, the nuclei will emit the alpha particles, that is 2He4, helium nucleus itself alpha particles, whose atomic number is 2, atomic mass is 4, that is number of proton and electrons is 2 and number of nucleons is 4. Look at this figure where uranium 92-238 disintegrates and emit the alpha particles, that is emit the helium nucleus. Here in this figure, the red circle, it is the proton, and neutron denotes by a green circle. When uranium emits alpha particle, it produces the new nuclei, it is converted into the new nuclei, that is known as thorium. Atomic number 90, atomic mass is 234. And it also converted into the new term, new nuclei, and it emit the gamma rays also. This is about the emission of the alpha particles from the uranium atom. Now let look another example of alpha decay, where this radium is converted into the radon by emitting alpha particle, that is 2He4. Look here, the atomic number, that is Z, decreased by 2 unit, and atomic mass, it is decreased by 4 unit. That is the another example of the alpha decay. Next, about what is beta decay. In case of the beta decay, nuclei emit the beta particles, it means it emit the electrons, where the atomic number of the daughter nuclei is 1 unit more than number of atomic number of parent nuclei. Same way, the atomic mass of the daughter nuclei is the same as atomic mass of the parent nuclei. There is no change in the atomic mass of the parent as well as daughter nuclei. And beta particle, it is denoted by electrons, that is -1 E0. Negative sign, it indicates the charge of the electrons, which is negative. Example of beta decay. Here, look here, this carbon is converted into the nitrogen by emitting a beta particles. Also, it emits the neutrino also. Look at this example in this figure. The thorium, it is converted into the protoactinium, and it emits the beta particles. It's very easy to understand from this figure. Proton denoted by the red circles, and neutron denoted with the green circles, where it emits the beta particles, or we can say it's electrons. Last, that is the gamma ray, or disintegrations of the nuclei emit the gamma decay. Gamma decay is nothing but it's a types of radioactivity in which some elements like heavy elements disintegrates and emit the electromagnetic waves, or we can say it's gamma rays. Gamma decay, there is no change in atomic number as well as atomic mass number. Same nuclei will present and it emit the gamma rays. Gamma rays is nothing but it's a short wavelength electromagnetic waves. In process of the gamma decay nucleus, when it is changes from higher energy into the lower energy, it is the one basic properties of the gamma decay. And there is no change in number of protons or atomic number in the parent nuclei as well as daughter nuclei. So it's emit the gamma ray. Look at this example. There is no change in atomic number of parent nuclei and daughter nuclei as well as in atomic mass, but it emits the gamma ray, or we can say it's electromagnetic waves. It is denoted by symbol gamma. So this is about the gamma decay.